What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are excited for your 3-day weekend. Some of you might not be excited that the markets are closed on Monday, but I'm excited to be able to celebrate Memorial Day with my fam and just hang out and grill and do something nice. Today in the Midwest has been, it was like 40 degrees this morning. Terrible. Terribly cold. But in this video, I want to talk about my favorite Bitcoin stock. Yes, there are Bitcoin stocks. The mining companies are traded on the stock exchanges here. And Marathon, or MARA as I call it, ticker symbol M-A-R-A, is my absolute favorite Bitcoin stock to own and hold. And I want to tell you why. And there's a few reasons, but I also want to share an article on TipRanks that was just posted today. From an analyst that has a very bullish take on this company, and then we'll look over some price predictions and things for the next 12 months. So let's jump right over to tipranks.com. Remember, you can find me over there Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern for a Power Hour update. This article right here says sprint or long run marathon stock is a buy, says analyst. It's been an eventful period in crypto. That is an understatement, sir. Elon Musk, China, the IRS, energy consumption, volatility. All the usual suspects have been involved lately as cryptocurrency prices from Bitcoin and beyond crashed. Regardless of the near-term wild volatility, and it is wild swings, like between, I mean, yesterday was pretty flat, but between like 5 and 12% a day is not abnormal, which is just crazy for something that's worth hundreds of billions and trillions of dollars. It's just bonkers. Par for the course in crypto, it says. It is hard to ignore the fact crypto, more than ever before, is here to stay. The crypto space is also expected to keep on providing plenty of opportunities for those well-positioned to benefit. In my video yesterday, we talked about how Skrill, the payment wallet platform on PaySafe, did a survey and found that 36% of Americans actually own Bitcoin, and that's much higher than I thought. So I agree. I think crypto's here to stay. I'm excited that almost 40% of Americans hold Bitcoin. I think it's pretty cool. If you aren't familiar with what Marathon does, Marathon specializes in mining Bitcoin, and its fortunes, like others in the space, are closely correlated to Bitcoin's performance. Although Pipes, that's Lucas Pipes from B. Riley, is the analyst here, says Pipes acknowledges challenges exist for the space considering the Bitcoin price volatility. For miners that have the infrastructure in place and can build scale, the analyst sees major opportunities, and I really think that there's a major opportunity ahead for MARA, and here's why. MARA plans to have over 100,000 miners in place by the end of year 2022. And that's not like 100,000 people mining Bitcoin. It's 100,000 machines mining Bitcoin. And they're trying to increase their hash rates and things like that. And we'll talk about that in a second here. So massive, massive thing. They just inked a deal with Compute North. It says the deal stipulates that Compute North's new Texas 300 megawatt data center will be home to Marathon's recently purchased 73,000 miners. The facility should up MARA's total hash rate to 10.3 hashes per second and maintain competitive mining costs. The setup should occur in various stages between October this year and March next year. It says, although detailed cost was not provided by the company, here's the plan. Approximately 70% of the mining, the goal is to have that mining be carbon neutral. So they're going to be really, really environmentally conscious, which is really, really nice. Overall, we believe the announcement is positive for MARA, and I totally agree. Let's switch over and just look at price predictions and things like that for the two analysts that are giving this stock a moderate buy. Again, ticker symbol M-A-R-A. I like to call her MARA. I like to call her. Two analyst ratings with an average upside of 96%. And I don't think that's too far-fetched. So Lucas Pipes has an average upside of almost 90%. And Kevin Deedy from H.C. Wainwright has a buy rating as well of over 100%. That was 17 days ago. He reiterated his position there. And this new position from Lucas Pipes was just initiated 3 days ago. Now, let's take a peek at the charts because, you know, we talked about Bitcoin a few times over the past couple weeks. And Bitcoin is down 50% from its highs, okay? 50%. There was a massive correction. Not right now, but they were down at one point, right? It dropped under 30,000. It was down 50% from recent highs, so was Ethereum. Now it's starting to recover a little bit, but very similar chart. You can see that right here with Mara. If you just take a 3-month chart, this was trading $4, $3. I was talking about this way back in October last year, probably November, and when it was like $4 per share, and it just skyrocketed. Even since then, it's 6x'd since then. But at one point, we saw highs of like 50 some dollars. Crazy price action. Yeah, 52-week high. Here we go. 57.75. So major correction down to $24 since then. However, I agree. I think Bitcoin is going to make a turn. I think we reached a bottom in crypto. Maybe, we'll see, but I think we did. I think we saw enough of a correction. There could potentially be another 20% if things kind of fall apart here. But once we see that bottom, I think we're going to see a massive acceleration in adoption of crypto. I think people are going to get excited about the dips in crypto and buy them up like crazy. That's what I think. That's my 2 cents. But let me know, guys. Let me know what you think about Mara. What's your favorite Bitcoin stock? Down in the comments. I know a lot of people like SOS. I'm not a big fan, but I like Mara. Riot's probably a close second for me, but Mara's my favorite for sure. Maybe it's the cool name. I don't know. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. Remember, you can find me over on the Tip Ranks YouTube channel. Top link in the description. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, for your Power Hour update. All the news you need before the market closes. Guys, thank you so much. Enjoy your 3-day weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday.